Today we're going to talk about image views in SwiftUI. Let's open Xcode, create a new project, a single view app, and let's name it Image App. And let's choose the user interface as SwiftUI. Before we start, let's add images towards our project. Let's look for sample images on a website called Pixabay. If you didn't know, Pixabay offers free images for users to download for free. Okay, let's search for New York City. This image looks cool, let's download this one. Now we can use this image for our project. Let's bring these images to our assets folders in Xcode. Okay, let's start with images initializers in SwiftUI. First, let's start with image string. We use this to display our images in our app. For example, I use the name of the folder that we put in the assets folder. Now the images appears in our app. You're probably asking, how do we modify the image to fit the frame? We use frame to set the width and the height of the image. We can customize the image frame by using modifiers. For example, clip. Clip is a modifier that cuts the image in this view frame. For example, creates a new view that only shows a portion of the image within the view's frame. Next is resizeable. Resizeable resizes the image to fit the view's frame. The view will adjust the image size to fit the space available within the view's frame. As you can see, it resized. However, the image looks squashed. To fix this, we use aspectRatio. Aspect ratio will constrain the view dimension to an aspect ratio that won't lose the quality of the image. Next is scaleToFit. ScaleToFit will scale the image to fit the view. For example, the image resizes itself to fit inside the view. And lastly, scaleToFill. ScaleToFill will scale the image to fill the view. The image resizes itself to fill the view even when parts of the image may lie outside the view. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial gave you an understanding of how Modify works for our images in SwiftUI.
Thank you for watching. Follow us at